Hello traders, it is Saturday evening, about 9:15. I sort of thought to myself with the schedule that I've got tomorrow, it's probably going to be better that I can do a proper watch list for next week tonight instead of rushing it sort of midday tomorrow after work, and then I've got a few things on after. So I'm doing it now. I've got the Euro Swiss 4-hour time frame up here. I had it up previously. I was using OANDA FX trade, and it uses sort of like a trading view style format with the charts, and I'm more familiar with MetaTrader, so most of my chart analysis will be done here on MetaTrader. So I've got my small live account. It's this month so far has I've had three open positions. I've still got the Euro Swiss open, and it's interesting. I've just got the daily up now, how it sort of ended for the day. I wouldn't really say it pulled back substantially. I mean, when you have a look at the week candle, it's pretty, the high that it got to was quite interesting at 1.20047. We go to the monthly chart, you'll see what I mean by that. So it's, that gray line there represents, if I zoom in a bit. So here we are. It's pretty telling. I'm obviously in long, so I'm a little biased with this, but something to bring up. There's still probably more to give out of this trade, really. But again, reversal type traders, swing traders that are watching this are probably like, well, this is a big short opportunity. But yeah, I just want to bring that up. So let's go across the majors now and have a look here at the euro. How did that end? Whew, it's quite a substantial wick on that candle there. About the daily, interesting, very range bound. So these lines here, that's the 55, that's the 200. So it's still holding the uptrend, but there's once I've established that with my systems criteria, which is obviously easy to ascertain, then I look for price to sort of clear recent highs, which is obviously resistance. We get to the line chart here. You'll see what I'm talking about. It's it's not an exact science drawing these, but I mean that's pretty clearly sort of defined in there. I haven't, normally what I do, you'll see on the weekly, I've drawn these in. So there's nothing really substantial straight away. I've just drawn that in there, but so yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So euro is not. I mean, that is an interesting little point there. We'll see if it wants to continue on, but a lot of work's required to get sort of back up to here. Again, it is a discretionary method. It's not automated, and I understand some people will be shaking their heads, but that's just how I trade it. So I don't really monitor a whole lot of pairs. I try and keep it to 12 or so. Mostly just the majors, because they tend to move the most, I find, and have manageable spreads. When I'm using a trailing exit, it sort of makes my life a bit easier to deal with, because sometimes they'll widen dramatically with when liquidity drops off, which can happen with these, like the Hungarian pheasant or something like that against one of the, against the euro. So that's something to pay attention to. Like technicalities of that can hinder your trade progress a little bit. Aussie dollar's broken down. How did it end for the day? Again, I've got that support line there though, so I'm going to be watching that. But that's interesting. And the New Zealand dollar as well had a similar sort of looking chart. Look at the daily, yeah. So we'll see that this could initiate some range bound moves, and the Aussie dollar loves doing that too. So we'll see. I think we'll go to the pound next. Some thunderstorms, I think, going on, so hopefully the power doesn't get cut. We'll see. I probably jinxed it now. So yeah, I bought the pound a little while ago, and it's sold off heavily. I think I got struck out. It was just after this one here, or here, and it's continuing on. So that's the 55. That's the 200. So it's not, there might be a sell trade next week. Again, with the Kiwi looks a potential. USDCAD, I think, has had a bit of a rally. It has. Still needs a bit more work to do there. think USD yen I'll touch on now. See what that's doing there. I might go OZCAD. One of my trading friends mentioned that. I think he was long OZCAD. Can't quite remember. Look, the USD yen is pretty interesting, to be honest. I mean, it's major resistance here at 107, but you know, something worth the watch. If it can clear that, and then we, you know, get a bullish candle print, could be a potential buy trade. See how the Aussie New Zealand's going. Bit of a mixed bag, really. A little bit of recent strength, but nothing to trade on there, to be honest, for me. OzCAD, find the OzCAD. Everyone's having a fantastic weekend as well. Whoa! Zoom out. Not sure what he was doing with this one. Maybe a buy trade. I know he's sort of a reversal trader, so 4 hours. This is interesting. This is a bit of a bullish sign. I mean, the wick is quite long, but that could. It's just hard to tell right now. It's been range bound for a while, so I'm going to avoid that. But I just wanted to bring that up, and maybe the pound yen as well. I've mentioned that in a few other videos. Let's get that going. I'm going to play some music in the background, but I just get flagged for copyright. I guess the channel isn't monetized. I have to get 1,000 subscribers. Originally it was 10,000 total views, but it is they changed their policy a little while ago, YouTube. So I do this more for enjoyment, though, to be honest. I enjoy making videos, and as you guys can see, I've made a lot. So pound yen, I know this, I try and keep them concise, but there's a little bit to talk about over the weekend. Everyone's got a bit more free time typically. I was watching this for a buy trade, but it still has weakened some more, so it hasn't weakened enough to initiate, you know, a sell trade on it either. So I'm going to pass on that. So I'll end the video with the Euro Swiss for anyone in this long. Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, it's poised to go up some more potentially. I mean, it's cleared the resistance, but we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy trading, and I'll try and make another video tomorrow if there's anything else I've missed in this video regarding potential trades. Again, safe trading. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.